Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Skye Blind model and that the hub or remote is included so you don't interrupt setup midstream. Once done, insert batteries or connect the power adapter and watch the LED. A steady light means ready. Mount the brackets at the window top using a level, allowing a small 5-10 mm tolerance so the headrail sits square. Do this now, it prevents binding later. If you hear rubbing while lowering, stop and recheck bracket spacing and level immediately. You'll next pair and calibrate the blind so movement is precise. Press and hold the hub button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode, then open the Skye app and choose Add Device. The app discovers the blind automatically. Once connected, run the calibration routine. The motor will find full travel, and the app records top and bottom stops. Make sure to set any preferred midpoints for privacy or light. Calibration prevents overdriving the motor and keeps fabric taut and aligned. You're ready for daily use. Control the Skye Blind with the app, remote, or voice assistant. Create scenes and schedules for consistent light control. If the blind becomes noisy, sluggish, or stops midway, stop motion and inspect for fabric jams or obstructions in the headrail or slats. Once clear, run a recalibration in the app to reset limits. If problems persist, power cycle both the hub and the blind motor. That clears transient communication errors before you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.